Imagine reaching payday and not feeling stressed before the month even starts. That's what happened when you finally stop guessing with money. Right now, most people just reacting. You get paid, you spend a little, bills start hitting, something unexpected comes up. Then halfway through the month, you are already trying to hold a mess. And the frustrating part, you're working hard. But somehow money still not staying. Here's the real issue. You don't have a reset point. Nothing slows the process down. Nothing organizes the money properly. So every month starts the same, ends the same. And because everything is still mixed together, you never fully see what's helping you, what's draining you. So the cycle repeats. Mistake one, trying to change everything immediately. You say, all right, new month, new me. Then you try cut everything at once. That usually crashes fast. Mistake two, depending on motivation. Some days you're focused, some days you're tired. So your money changes based on mood. That's not control. Mistake three, no weekly structure. You're watching the month while spending every day. So little spending keeps slipping through. You don't need a perfect budget, you need a simple reset. 30 days, small changes, repeated properly. Week one, watch your spending. Don't change anything yet, just pay attention. Track lunch, taxi, snack, random spending. You can't control what you never notice. Week two, split your salary properly. Now organize your money. Bills, living to include food and transport, and personal. No more mixing everything together. Week three, start weekly control. Take your living money and break it into weeks. Now you know your limits before spending, not after. Week four, reduce the leaks. Don't cut everything. Just reduce the things draining you quietly. Maybe fewer taxes, fewer lunch purchases, fewer impulse buys. Small adjustments, big difference. Start today with one thing, even if it's just tracking your spending for the next 3 days. Don't wait for next month. Start where you are. Once your money is separated, controlled weekly, and adjusted little by little, things stop feeling so out of control. You can usually notice when that financial pressure starts easing during the month. So here's the reset. Week one, track your spending. Week two, split your salary. Week three, control money weekly. Week four, reduce the leaks. Simple, practical, repeatable. That's how you start taking back control of your money. Now, once you start controlling money better, the next goal is building stability. Next video, why most Jamaican workers never build savings. Watch that next. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.